My ex and his wife are demanding that I communicate only via a group message with the two of them and my son. I never know who's responding because I'm being told that my son is grounded from his phone. I don't like communicating, especially with his new wife. I'd like to be able to communicate with my son directly. They're refusing to respond if I don't include the wife and the dad. What do I do? Sometimes people like to make up rules. And this is a made-up rule. This is a made-up rule from your ex about how he'd like you to communicate. It's because he'd like to control the narrative. He'd like to know everything that you say to your son. And I've talked previously about how there is no right to privacy per se when you're talking to your kids. Their parents are always allowed to look at their phones and see what's on their phones with anybody. But this is a made-up rule. Dad can't demand that you communicate the way he wants to with your son. So you just need to set a very factual boundary. And then if that doesn't work, you can have a lawyer set a very factual boundary for you. And that is something that we can do. So much of family law is knowing when is it okay to just say, no, it's not going to be that way, and confidently no, it's not going to be that way. And that's why I put out so much of this content, is because there is nuance. And sometimes you don't know, what am I allowed to set a firm boundary on? What is a reasonable request from the other parent? How do family courts look at this situation? So that's what we do on my page. If that's interesting, follow me. My name is Billy Tarasio. I'm an Arizona family law attorney. I own Modern Law. And this question came from the Modern Divorce Support Group. If you are interested in that, check it out.